Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the Nokia 5310 and also show you some of the features of this particular phone. The first thing you need to do in order to set up this particular phone is insert the battery. This particular phone comes with a 1200 mAh lithium ion battery. This is a removable and rechargeable battery. So all you have to do is insert it over here. Remove the flap and you insert the battery right over here. Just make sure that the metallic plates on the battery are connected to the metallic points on the phone. You just insert it like so. Close the lid, make sure it's tightly shut, and then press and hold the call end button right over here. So the feature phones, the older feature phones, have the call end button is the most important button. So press and hold and it should turn on. There you go. The first thing you get while you turn on is the language option. There you go. There you can see it's now we have the language option. Let's select English for the purpose of this video. And now you can auto update time. Let's see if I can do that. And okay. Okay, back. So this is basically an agreement note that I press continue on. And this is basically the landing page of this particular phone. You will notice that there are no SIM cards. It says no SIM card 1, no SIM card 2. I don't have any SIM card with me right now. That's why I can't insert any SIM card. But you get access to all your contacts and a lot of other functions through the SIM card. Let me just show you some of the other functionalities. Let me quickly take you through the camera section. So this is the camera that comes with this particular phone. This is a VGA camera. This is a 0.3 megapixel camera, or a VGA camera if you want to call it that. So there you can see I'm going to take a picture now. So it's that simple basically, and a lot of options over here as well. You can zoom in using the plus. So the plus minus button over here, you can use that to zoom in like so and zoom out. There's some options over here as well. If there's flash, video camera, etc, etc, image effect, and there's even a burst mode and a self timer mode as well. Let's see what other options we had. There is a Facebook app built in, and this is basically the music tab, but unfortunately there's no music in it, so I can't really play anything. And this is where you find the photo. Showing files on your phone, go to option to see the files on your memory card. Okay. It's captured. There is only one photo that I've captured for the time being, and this is the one that's received that says no photos. Obviously I just set it up. Okay, there's also the snake game, which if you are interested in this, if you're interested in retro games, retro mobile games, then you will probably want to play this game. 1 second, I will switch music off if that's doable. So there you go. There's the classic snake game right over here, as you can see. So you can play this particular game as well. And this is it. This is how you set up the Nokia 5310, and you also got to see some of the features of this particular phone. Thank you for watching.